Something tells me I should put it in a lockbox and drop it to the bottom of the lake. Go to bed.
But would you be able to rest? Tony, look at me. We're gonna be okay. You can rest now.